Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. Today I'm going to be making some vegan ice cream. Sorry, cooking guts. With this old ass blender. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can buy a new one. Let's get you started.
Lieutenant Dan, ice cream.
So for this one, we're going to need 3 bananas sliced up, half a cup of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a cup of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of chocolate chips just left to the side. Throw everything in the blender, barring your chocolate chips. Blitz that up.
Make a lot of noise.
It's like he's trying to speak to me, I know it!
Tip it out into a big mixing bowl, and we'll fold in the chocolate chips. Pop it into a tin to chuck in the freezer. I'm using a bread tin. And let it freeze for at least 4 hours. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching that one, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
That's it, I'm out of here.